Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm going to give you a quick tip, Turo 101. There's many 101s actually, but this will be just another 101. Turo quick 101. Do this. Always make sure you add a description to your car. I don't care if you have 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 20 cars, 100 cars. Add a description. Add what makes your car special. On top, make sure you take great pictures. Like, take as many pictures as possible. You can add 20 pictures to Turo at this time, but do your best not just add the pictures. Add what the car offers. The luxury seats, if there's luxury, the AM, the radio, if it has seat heaters, that offers charger cables, etc. Make sure you let them know what makes your car so special, because you'd be surprised when, yes, the car looks beautiful, but you want to do your best. It doesn't matter how beautiful or not beautiful the car is. When you explain and put it in the description, it gives people an extra piece of information to want to make more of a decision, because they see this extra piece. That's sometimes what differentiates your car between someone else. Maybe both of you guys have good pictures, is perfect, but why should I choose this car over the other one? Oh, he has an excellent description. It gives me a little more insight. Do that. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Conrad Layn out. Peace.